These 8 IT roles have pretty big impact with emergence of AI. Data analyst is typically about taking some data, cleaning the data, generating some reports out of the data using some tools like Power BI, Tableau, etc. This can be easily done by AI because the AI can generate the DAX functions, M queries, SQL queries, and it can clean the data given an Excel sheet or an SQL file, and it can easily generate the reports, or it can give you the functions that can help you generate the reports easily. So data analyst is one job which can easily be impacted by AI. So the number of data analyst positions will slowly come down. So people who are aspiring to become data analyst, you might have to think twice. So instead of data analyst, you can try to upskill in some other technology. But there are good number of data analyst positions both in IT industry and also in non-IT industry. There is no problem with the number of positions. But then since it has become a very crowded space with AI, the number of requirements in each company might slightly come down. So you just have to think about it. Whether it is AWS Cloud or Azure Cloud or Google Cloud, it might not have much impact on the cloud engineers or the cloud support engineers or the site reliability engineers, because we still need to have that human intervention to manage the cloud infrastructure or to design the solutions or to support the infrastructure. So for cloud engineering positions, the impact is either negligible or very minimal. Many of the DevOps tools are being AI-fied. Each and every DevOps tool, they are trying to integrate AI into the tool. With the impact of AI, for DevOps engineering jobs, I don't think there is going to be any impact, but then the tools are going to have a drastic change. So if you are a DevOps engineer already, you need to work on those tools again, which have the AI modules integrated into it, to see that you can be well equipped to use that tool. Impact of AI on DevOps is going to be very minimal. So data engineering, because it is all about automating the data transformation through some pipelines and creating some data curation and refined data sets, the impact of AI might be almost negligible. In fact, with AI, data engineering will boom further, because the starting step for AI will be data engineering. Unless and until you take the raw data, transform it into some meaningful data sets, the AI process cannot start. It's only the data engineer who starts first, takes the entire raw data from the data source, from all the data sources in the data lake, and he writes the pipelines to transform those data sources, and he creates meaningful data sets, and that is consumed by data scientists or ML engineers or AI engineers. I am seeing slight impact with AI. Probably it is temporary and not a direct impact on AI, because companies are starting to explore AI. The budgeting for data scientists and ML engineers has slightly come down, and the budgeting for AI related product development or exploration of solutions AI for the existing products. So budget shift has happened. I'm thinking it might be a temporary situation, probably from mid 2024 till end of 2025. But once you finish 2025, data scientists and ML engineers will be back on track, and there will be again a huge demand for data scientists and ML engineers. Business analyst is, even till today, it is completely human centric. So there is always a human touch needed to liaison between the business customer and the technical team. So that role is not going to have any impact. But business analyst as such has become highly saturated because of tough competition from people coming from non-IT background to become business analysts. IT analysts or the IT support people, it might have some impact, because most of the support solutions with the AI agents coming into picture, most of the support will be given by these AI agents. Sometimes even if the software systems or the applications or the infrastructure has any issues with AI, they might have some auto healing ability, so which might reduce the need for IT analysts or IT support engineers or application support engineers or infrastructure support engineers. But as of 2025, the impact is minimal, but 2 to 3 years down the line, definitely IT analyst, application support engineers, systems analyst will definitely have some impact. Now, cybersecurity. Well, it is going to have a positive impact because with AI integration into the security products or the security process, there might be proactive alerts using the AI agents to the organization, which can, the AI agents can do the malware analysis quite well. They can do the audits, ISO 27001 or any other security compliance audits. AI can do it pretty easily instead of using the security consultants. Vulnerability assessments can be done easily. AI can easily do the penetration testing. So it is going to have the positive impact, but then because the security is owned by the security engineers, because there should be one human responsible to do all these things. So the demand for cybersecurity engineers will not go down with the impact of AI, but it is going to transform the way the security is implemented in the organization. So the conventional way of cybersecurity will get reduced and an AI centric way of security will be implemented in the organization, which is good for everyone, but it will not replace any of the cybersecurity engineers. So the demand for cybersecurity engineers, cybersecurity analysts, penetration testers, ethical hackers will still exist, but they will always take the help of AI, or the security tools will have this AI integrated to get more better output.